In the Equipment Record screen, you can access and manage all of your current equipment items. If you have multiple branches set up in Service Genie, you can view equipment from other branches and access any deactivated equipment items. The Add Equipment option allows you to create a new equipment record. You can use the Equipment Requiring Inspection button to view and raise jobs for items that need inspection. These jobs are typically created during your hire or off-hire processes. The Action Tray lets you manage your equipment. Here, you can deactivate an item, check the history, including job, contract, quote, and parts usage. You can also edit the equipment record. To open the Equipment Details page, you can simply click on the ID number. Here, you can view all the item's information. To the left, you'll find a column of tools, including Test Results, Equipment History, and Deactivate. Many of these tools are also available in the Action Tray. You can use the Copy Equipment feature to create a duplicate of a piece of equipment with the same settings. This can save you a significant amount of time. You can also upload documents, such as examples of equipment specifications. These documents will be accessible to back-office staff and engineers on their mobile devices. Additionally, the Audit Log option allows you to view any changes made to the equipment record and who made them. Before setting up an equipment record, you need to create equipment types and models. The next videos will guide you on how to do this.